Hi guys, so today let's play with slime, okay? So this is while we talk about it.
Yeah,
Wait,
it sounds fun.
really?
Wait, never mind. Never mind. All I have to press was skip.
Don't I know. Yes. So you might have to delete some of your games for that.
Only one.
Of
course, they're girls.
It's how you can install stuff now.
I can download stuff.
Yeah,
you can download stuff, but you just have to. I have to wait for Punch Bowl, so you wait. Thank you, Linda.
Okay, so guys, we're playing with slime today. While we play with slime, I'm going to show you how it was made. I think blue, green dye. It's already been a minute. Green dye. Tide. Activator.
Tell you something.
And it works like
Magic.
Play-Doh. You can make stuff out of it.
I know how it's going to say magic.
You can stretch it.
I know how it's going to say magic.
You can poke it.
Excuse me, cut the video.
You can also make your sister eat this so she be quiet.
Oh my god!
So today we're just gonna keep playing. And shout out t-shirt people.
School teacher.
And yeah. So we just finished arranging our birthday party online.
For me. Yes.
And now we're getting online invitations.
And if you want to come, you have to be a drop.
If you want to come, the spots are already taken by her family member. I mean, not her family member. Her
friends.
It's open.
It is? Okay, wait. I'm opening it. Oh my God. I'm going to make the best.
Okay, go.
Get started. Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh my God. I can download stuff now. Okay, this is my channel now.
Stop. That's mommy. Stop. So then, now, stop.
You're saying that in front of your home.
I know. And that's how you play with slime. Stop. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you ever listen?
Yeah.
Well, listen. That's how you scream at your sister. Bye, guys.
You have to be rude.
Bye, guys. See you later. Slimy says, see you later, guys. Bye-bye. Kisses to every single one of you out there.